Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign a player in PES 24 or eFootball 24. So this is the welcome to contract page. In this page you can sign a player by using a coin, GP or in-game items, and there are some amazing talent to offer to your team. So let's tap continue. As you can see, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 6 options total in this new game. There are manager list, sign your favorite manager, standard player list, standard player ticket using ticket, and some pack. For example, I want to tap this one, special player list. So in this eFootball 24, introducing players with booster, so it's beyond 99 of the player stats. So let's continue. So there are some options here, league selection until the last is league selection, Liga, Spanish league and Dutch league. Well, I want to try this one, partner club, because it's free. Tap. Let's tap the free. So who I've got? So I've got Bayern Munich player Jama Musiala for 85 rating. Let's continue. So feel free to try because it's free. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.